Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious caramel leche flan. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 10 egg yolks, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1 can of evaporated milk. We'll also use 1 cup of granulated sugar for the caramel and a touch of vanilla extract for flavor. Having these ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This classic dessert is surprisingly easy to master with the right steps. Now, let's create that beautiful caramel base. Gently melt 1 cup of granulated sugar directly in your anura molds over low heat until it turns a rich amber color. Carefully swirl to coat the bottom evenly, then set aside to cool. For the custard, whisk together 10 egg yolks, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1 can of evaporated milk. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Strain this mixture through a fine mesh sieve to ensure a perfectly smooth flan. With your caramel set, it's time to add the custard. Carefully pour the strained custard mixture into your anura molds, filling them about 3/4 full. Now, place the molds into a steamer. Steam the flan for about 30 to 45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once cooked, let it cool completely at room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours to firm up and enhance the flavors. The moment of truth: once thoroughly chilled, run a thin knife around the edges of your anura mold. Place a serving plate on top and carefully invert the flan. The caramel will beautifully cascade over the custard. Serve immediately, perhaps with a few fresh berries or a light dusting of toasted coconut for an extra touch. This rich, creamy dessert is perfect for any occasion. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals to help you in the kitchen.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.